Hello YouTube, RJ. Hey, got a quick little tip. I have been using this tip cleaner for many years, and I like a lot of things about it. It's got some weight to it. It's kind of heavy. It's got a rubber base, so when you do your tip into it, it doesn't move or anything. But the problem I've had with it, and I just realized it recently, is just how bad it is. Whenever I'm cleaning a hot soldering tip in here and I stick it in and pull it out, what I didn't realize is it slings little pieces of molten solder like rain. I wanted to get rid of that. So I had an idea, I went on and I bought one of these. You see these all the time. These are hooded ones. These are great. You stick your iron in, you pull it out, and it slings stuff the same way, but your hood catches it and makes it all fall down in the base. But the other thing I noticed is there's no weight to it, and it's smooth painted bottom, metal bottom, aluminum bottom. And so as soon as you try to put a soldering iron in it, it just moves away from you. It just goes everywhere. So I thought, okay, how do I solve this? And then it occurred to me, I need a combination of both of these. This is what I need. Now I got weight. I got a rubber base with weight on it. I just thought I'd show you what lame brain idea I'm going to do. I'm going to take me some Scotch-Brite, scuff this lip up pretty good, scuff up the bottom of this thing pretty good. I'm going to mix me up a little bit of JB Weld, take one of my little foam tip Q-tip things, and I'm going to mix me up some JB Weld, and I'm going to put me some JB Weld around the rim of this thing, and then I'm going to sit this on and let it set up. And that should lead me with a hooded unit with a base that's got weight and rubber and won't move, and I think that's going to give me the best of both worlds. It's going to solve my problem. Let me get this done. I'll come back. I'll show you how it turned out. If it's stuck, whether it comes apart, how it works, and we'll see how it turns out. Be right back. Okay, we're back, and the epoxy has had time to dry, and this is what we ended up with. You've got the original cleaner here that the ball was in. It's heavy, and you got the rubber, and you got the lightweight little aluminum with the hood. Doesn't move. I can do my iron. Very happy. Just pull this off to clean it out. So you might wonder why I'm showing this. Well, I'm showing this. One of the main reasons I'm showing this is because this looks a little odd, and I know when I put this shows up on later videos, I'm going to have at least one person wanting to know, what is that? I might have a couple people. And I thought, well, instead of waiting and then having to explain it, just show what I did, explain as I made it. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.